that iconic word. It's kind of like Coke if you think of a soft drink. You think of Shelby when you think of a fast car. This car is important to me because 36 years ago, I traded this for a Ferrari for a client of ours. What we had to pay for it versus the trade versus the Ferrari was so minimal compared to what it's worth today. But it's important to me because for 36 years, this car's never left my stable. It's always been in our group. It doesn't get a lot of miles on it, unfortunately, the value. And we spent some time with it. We had it here last year, and we're going to bring it back this year. So it's going to get a little more track time, but it's a great car to drive. So it's a neat car. It came all the way from Japan. It was in a collection there for a long time. So it's got a neat history. It's an original CSX 322-1 427 car. It's done in SC trim, which not many were done this way. It's got a great history, and it's kind of neat because it's kind of a survivor car. It's not a fully restored car. Great history. American Speed, wow, what a great event. I tell everybody that you should be out here for this. It's a gift that we get to put it on, and we have this facility to do it at. You see a lot of really rare cars, and you get to see them at speed, and you get to see them in their natural environment, which is out on the racetrack. A lot of people look at these cars and see them in collections and see them in what we call a static form. But to see these cars moving and in motion, it's art.